U.S. Pacific Command has detected a missile threat to Hawaii. A missile may impact on land or sea within minutes. This is not a drill. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you are outdoors, seek immediate shelter in a building. Remain indoors well away from windows. If you are driving, pull safely to the side of the road and seek shelter in a building or lay on the floor. We will announce when the threat has ended. This is not a drill.
Okay, so we just freaked out big time, still shaking a little bit, but now here we are, just relaxing.
Even if I tried, even if I wanted to, and I can't change. Even if I tried, my love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. My love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Well, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Well, I found a man stronger than anyone I know. He shares my dreams. I hope that someday we'll share our home. I found love.
This was a ring that my dad bought in 1962 and wore for 50 years of marriage to Mark's grandmother, and he wanted him to have it. So.
And he bought it for $60.
I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be your girl, you'll be my man. And I see my future in your eyes. Well, baby,
It's been 6.5 years. And if someone would have told me 6.5 years ago that you and I would be standing here today, I probably would not have believed them. Only because when we first met at Bull and Bear, I remember being told by another server that someone had a massive, massive crush on me. And when I found out it was you, the only thing I said was, ew, the cook, the cook who always sings and dances to Justin Bieber? But after our very first date, I was completely hooked, and we were inseparable, annoyingly inseparable, to the point where you started taking the same classes as me at SIUE. Oh, this is the hard part. Okay, so Marco, the best advice I've ever received is from my cousin Daniel. And he told me that love is easy, but to find somebody who constantly supports you is the hardest thing. And you have been that person for me. You always push me to become a better person, and you always make me feel confident in everything that I do. And I absolutely appreciate that about you. And I cannot wait until the day that you and I are gray and old, just reminiscing about this night with all of our beautiful friends and family. And the last thing I have to say is this is your very last chance to run away before you say I do to a sometimes crazy Latina. Te amo, Marco.
So, I'm going to read from a book, or, well, notebook that I wrote, because I'm too emotional to say this free without reading. Also, I can't look at you. Because if I look at you, I'm never going to finish this. So don't take offense to that. All right. Claudia. All right. I think first and most importantly, I need to just say thank you. You're the most beautiful woman I've ever met, inside and out. I'm not entirely sure what I've ever done in this world to deserve someone like you. But I fully recognize now how lucky I was to get hired at Bollinger. From day one, you've been my PIC, my best friend, and the love of my life. You've been there for me through every hardship in my life. And you've been the inspiration for me becoming the man I've become. Not a day goes by where I feel we've gotten complacent or lost touch with who we were when we first met. I couldn't dream of a better, more respectful, more hilarious or beautiful person to spend the rest of my life with. I'm honored and grateful to know you've accepted me to be your partner for life. I love you more than anyone can imagine, and you've completed any unpaved roads in my life. I love you, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you at my side. I promise to always love you and cherish you. I couldn't be more honored to be a part of your family, and I'm so happy for our two families to finally be a part of one another. I love you.
Our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. No, no, no. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, while listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I